Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I just want um that's disturbing anyways. Today I just want to show you my new car. I got this Lambo for about 500k. It sells for 503k as you can see here. 503k. So I just wanted to see what the top speed on this thing is. Can I just get a cold start real quick? Oh my gosh. That's actually so I'm in love, guys. Okay, let's see if we can do a donut because I've done donuts with this in the past with my friends, but I haven't tried it with mine yet, so we're gonna okay, that sort of worked, but it sort of didn't. Okay, I have a plan. Let's go to the dealership, and while we do that, we can test its high speed. I'm just gonna wait till I get onto the main road, so we're going speed limit, guys, until we get there. I can't wait that long. I'm speeding. If any cops are here, then that sucks to be me, I guess. Oh. Okay, that was actually kind of clean, though. That was actually kind of clean. Okay. You know what? I'm going on the wrong side of the road. I'm gonna see what happens, but let's test out its high speed. Crap, I'm gonna crash. Ugh. I suck at this game, guys. I don't know. Okay. I'm gonna crash into the car and go flying across the map, but it's fine. Let's just see how fast this car can go. 174. That's actually pretty good. Oh, oh my gosh. I generally did not see that car. I'm being for real, guys. I did not see that car. You know me, I love crashing in this game, but like, I did not mean to crash that time. Yeah, so 174, I think. Hang on, I need to see that again because I generally do not remember. Okay, that was also kind of clean. I can't even get over the stupid right there. Okay, now I kind of want to crash. So we'll go on the wrong side of the road. Alright, we're gonna crash a few times before I end the video. That's a nice car right there. Looks good for... I don't have any fuel. What? Okay, you know what that calls for. We're taking out my RV. I'm gonna drive that to the gas station. Can we also get a startup on this thing? I don't even... Hey. That's actually kind of nice. I get used to that. Okay. Let's just drive. There's a car over there, but hopefully I don't crash. You know, we're gonna go on the wrong side of the road with this too. You see how I'm like drifting when I'm not even trying? Like, why does this thing drift so good? When it's 73, bro, it's not even a What was that? What just happened, bro? What in the why? Okay, I need reverse. What just happened? Okay, I was on the wrong side of the road. I honestly thought I was on the right side of the road for a second. I was like, why is he on the wrong side of the road? And then I realized that I wasn't on the right side of the road. I was on the wrong side. So that was kind of my fault, but I don't really care because it was kind of funny. Okay, let's go get gas, and then we'll crash a few times. Why is it actually kind of fun to crash in the RV? Should we just do it here? Well, I'm gonna get gas in my Lambo first, and then we can. I am honestly... Can this thing even fit underneath the gas station roof? I want to see if it can. Bro, why is it drifting so much? Oh, it can! Oh my gosh. That's actually so crazy. Okay. Let me get my Lambo out. Bro. Can I have my Lambo? Okay, there. Now we wait. La-di-dee, la-di-da. Okay, there. Now we'll put that away. How much gas? Oh wait, I want to keep this because I ended my, does this have any fuel left? Yes, it does. Okay. It's like, that's for, a place to call home the series. So I need to keep it like that for the role play. Okay. Bro, I spent 3 seconds between the clicks, okay? I don't think that's that quick. Okay. Let's go. Crash. Okay. Sorry, I just had to do a quick Michael Jackson. Okay. Okay, why are there like no cars? I know I like just left the gas station, but I'm kind of impatient today. See how I'm yawning? I'm like so tired. It's just so boring. What in the world? Oh, this is my chance. Hee hee. Oh man, oh no. I crashed. Oh no. Oh no. Why is he coming over to me? Bro. He's gonna be like, okay, what is he looking at? Like, actually, oh, none of my doors if I just spawn my vehicle, will he like be there? Yes, he will. Bro, why is bro following me? And I'm going. Oh yeah, we were gonna do some burnouts. Bro, why you ruin it for me? Sorry for yelling, guys. I'm a bit slow today. I'm a bit on the. Oh, wait, this ain't manual. Bro, that stupid pole is ruining my lovely donuts. Let's go. Guys, we're painting the ground. This is so wholesome. Oh! What the heck just happened? I'm gonna honk it down. Wait, what does my horn even sound like? I generally don't even know. Bro, what type of horn sounds like that? That's what it should sound like in real life. Why did my sound turn off? My sound just turned off, and I don't know. My sound just turned off. Bro, I don't even know if you guys can even hear me at this point. Wait, hold on. Wait a minute. Wait, where's my sound? Oh. got my sound back. That was weird. I was scared for a second. My sound just cut. Alright, let's take some. Oh my god! Donut secret. We're so bougie, guys. Why isn't it working? Why isn't it working? So yeah, that's my new car, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.